The WGI extension identifies a WildTangent game installer file used to install games through the WildTangent Games platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these game installer files. Pro tip: for WGI files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. WGI Files are installer packages for the WildTangent Games platform, a digital game distribution service formerly bundled with many PC manufacturers. They contain installation scripts and metadata used by the WildTangent Games client to install and manage downloaded games. WGI installer files work in conjunction with the WildTangent Games client software. They contain game metadata installation parameters and digital rights management information tied to the user's WildTangent, account for license verification during installation. For managing WGI files, the best dedicated software is WildTangent Games app from WildTangent. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows cannot render source-level information, so full inspection must be done with development software. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your WGI file and click Open With. If WildTangent Games app is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If the WGI file won't budge, stay calm. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your WGI file. First, installing WGI Games. Ensure the WildTangent Games client is installed on your system. Double-click the WGI file to launch the installation process through the WildTangent Games client. Sign into your WildTangent account if prompted for license verification before installation proceeds. Next, troubleshooting installation failures. If the WGI file fails to install, verify your WildTangent Games client is updated to the latest version. Check your internet connection, as WildTangent may require online license verification. Reinstall the WildTangent Games client if installation errors persist. Finally, finding games without WildTangent. If WildTangent service is unavailable, check if the game is available on modern platforms like Steam or Epic Games Store. Many WildTangent titles have been republished. Contact WildTangent. Customer support for license transfer options if needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.